If you add something to your information, feel free to like it by subscribing for more.
Overview of tourism in Hawaii Island. Hawaii Island, also known as the Big Island, is the largest and youngest island in the Hawaiian archipelago, located in the central Pacific Ocean. With its diverse landscapes, vibrant culture, and warm climate, the island has become a world-renowned tourist destination. Here is a comprehensive overview of tourism in Hawaii Island. Natural attractions ***. One of the main draws of Hawaii Island is its breathtaking natural beauty. The island is home to 5 major volcanoes, including Kilauea and Mauna Loa, the most active volcanoes in the world. Visitors can explore Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, witnessing lava flows, active craters, and unique geological formations. Other natural attractions include black sand beaches, lush rainforests, waterfalls, and stunning coastal cliffs. Beaches. Hawaii Island boasts a variety of beaches, catering to different preferences. From the famous Punaluu Black Sand Beach to Hapuna Beach, consistently voted one of the best beaches in the world, tourists can enjoy swimming, snorkeling, surfing, and sunbathing. ***. 3. Culture and history. ***. The island has a rich cultural heritage with influences from native Hawaiians, Polynesians, and Asian immigrants. Visitors can experience traditional Hawaiian music, hula dance, and local arts and crafts at cultural events and festivals. The Puuhonua o Honaunau National Historical Park showcases ancient Hawaiian sacred sites, offering insights into the island's history. 4. Adventure activities ***. Adventure seekers can indulge in various outdoor activities on Hawaii Island. Snorkeling and scuba diving offer a chance to explore the vibrant underwater world. Hiking enthusiasts can trek through lush forests and volcanic landscapes, with trails catering to different levels of expertise. Ziplining, horseback riding, and off-road tours are also popular choices for those seeking excitement. Astronomy tourism. Hawaii Island is home to several world-class observatories atop Mauna Kea, one of the highest points in the Pacific. Tourists interested in astronomy can take guided tours of the observatories and stargazing programs to witness the stunning night sky above the clouds. Sustainable tourism. As an island with delicate ecosystems and cultural significance, there is a growing emphasis on sustainable tourism practices. Local organizations and businesses are committed to preserving the environment, supporting local communities, and promoting eco-friendly tourism experiences. Accommodation. Hawaii Island offers a wide range of accommodation options. From luxury resorts and boutique hotels to vacation rentals and budget-friendly lodgings. The western side of the island, around Kailua Kona, is more developed and offers a bustling tourist scene, while the eastern side, around Hilo, is known for its lush rainforests and a more laid-back vibe. Cuisine. The island's culinary scene is a melting pot of cultures, offering a diverse range of flavors. Tourists can savor traditional Hawaiian dishes, as well as enjoy a variety of Asian and Pacific Rim cuisine, often using fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Accessibility. Hawaii Island is accessible by direct flights from several major cities in the United States, as well as international destinations. The 2 main airports are Hilo International Airport and Kona International Airport. Weather. Hawaii Island enjoys a tropical climate year-round, with temperatures typically ranging from the mid-70s to mid-80s Fahrenheit, 24 to 30 degrees Celsius. It is advisable to check weather conditions before visiting, as the island's weather can be influenced by its varied topography. Overall, Hawaii Island's tourism industry has flourished due to its unique combination of natural wonders, cultural experiences, and adventure opportunities. It continues to attract visitors from around the world, offering unforgettable experiences and memories for all who journey to this enchanting Pacific paradise.